What's up guys, Jason Wardrop here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and create your Facebook ads for beginners in 2018. Alright, so this video I'm going to first hit how to actually set up the Facebook ad, kind of the strategy of like how I like to create it, the ad copy and all that. So when I first got started and I was kind of brand new with the whole Facebook ads process, I thought all I really needed to learn how to go through and do is just go through and figure out how to set up my Facebook ad campaigns, like how to target, how to like choose the right objective, all that stuff. Then I quickly realized that my bigger issue is I don't need just to know how to set up the details of inside the ads manager, but I need to know how to communicate properly with my target audience, right? So I want to show you guys, like I've spent a lot of money on Facebook ads. If you guys watched some of my previous videos, you guys kind of know that. But I want to show you some of my top performing ads and dissect them a little bit of why they perform well. And then after I go through and show you kind of some of these hot ads and how to structure them, I'm going to show you inside of the Facebook Ads Manager how to go through and set all this up. So this is kind of a little Facebook ads tutorial for beginners if you're just getting started, right? So let's jump into, this is the first Facebook ad right here, right? So this is a video testimonial. So this is try to get people to register for our webinars or live trainings that we do. But this really could work for any type of lead that you're looking to go through and generate. All right, so this one you can see right here, it's a video testimonial. All right, but you can have a picture there, you can have a slideshow, you can have a number of different things. But what's more important is the actual ad copy, and this is what I want to break down for you. All right, so first I hit the exact target market that I want to speak to. Okay, so I work a lot with real estate agents, with real estate brokers, mortgage brokers, loan officers. This one's obviously specific to real estate agents and brokers. So I say, hey, real estate agents and brokers. And then I go through and I say something to pique their interest, right? So, hey, LaTrosha got 11 leads and set 2 appointments for just $9 in her first 24 hours. So first of all, if I'm a real estate agent and I see this ad, I see, okay, it says real estate agents, brokers. So like it's talking to me, right? And then one thing that real estate agents I know they want, and know pretty much any business owner wants, is they want leads, right? And not only leads, but they want to be able to set appointments. So I start out by going through and also using her name, LaTrosha, right here, because I want to get personal of saying like, hey, this isn't just like some random theoretical person. This is her video testimony right here. She got 11 leads, and then I said on top of that, her leads booked appointments with her to kind of even sweeten the deal a little bit more. And then I have a call to action. That's what I finish off with. Okay, so I say real estate agents and brokers. So I call out the target market, say something that's going to kind of pique their interest, sweeten the deal if you can sweeten the deal there, and then also have a call to action. All right, so I'll just show you guys a few more. And this same thing, just really quick, I want to hit this. This is important. Like even if you're like, let's say you're a local business. Okay, let's say you're a local real estate agent. Okay, your target market could be something like, let's say you live in Orlando, Florida. Okay, it could say, hey, Orlando homeowners, would you like to increase the value of your home? Okay, so it's like Orlando homeowners. If you're targeting people in Orlando and you're targeting people that own a home, okay, and they see this, they're like Orlando homeowners. Okay, that's me. Like that, I can relate with that, right? And then the next one of like going through and piquing their interest. Hey, would you like to increase the value of your home? Now, what homeowner would not want to increase the value of your home, right? So we go through, do that, and then you could go through and you could have another line, sweeten the deal, and then a call to action. Hey, get my 3-step guide of how to go through and increase the value of your home. Okay, so it really works at any type of market, and I'll show you guys a few other ads here. So this one's more of a success testimonial one. This is another video, and I kind of cut up the video and like have all these different testimonials. You can see that's why I've got all these pictures, kind of a little montage right here. So I say real estate agents and brokers, and I just go hit all of these different testimonials. And that's one thing I found is if you do have testimonials, if you work in that type of business, then it's really nice to use those because then people can see like, oh, like this person's the real deal. They've actually had success. And then always obviously finishing with a call to action right there. Okay. Then here's another one. This is Hunter. And you can see this is interesting, guys. One thing I put on here, I put agents and brokers. Okay. And at the time, I wasn't thinking like beyond real estate agents and brokers. Whereas you can see this ad later on, I add real estate agents and brokers because I actually got hundreds and hundreds of insurance agents and insurance brokers reaching out to me and be like, hey, is this for insurance too? And then I'd be like, actually, no, sorry, it's just for real estate actually. So it was beneficial because I was able to still go through and generate a lot of leads in the insurance space. But that's one thing to keep in mind, is getting very specific and very direct with the audience that you want to go through and target. So I said, once again, agents and brokers, where I would probably make this real estate agents and brokers or insurance agents, brokers, like whatever specific niche you're trying to hit. Then Hunter got 25 leads, one client under contract just 1 week. So that's kind of like piquing their curiosity, piquing their interest, and then even kind of sweeten the deal. Hey, made $5 grand off $6, $7 spent on advertising. See how he did it on this free training. So that's kind of the call to action right there. Okay. Then one more. And guys, you can see like on all these, I have video testimonials, and those have worked really well. If you have a picture, I also have some other ads that have really worked well with pictures. So this one right here, as you can see, agents and brokers kind of hitting the key concept and then the call to action down there, right? And I'll just show you guys another one. Let me try to find one with an actual picture. Okay, guys, so here is another one I just want to show you guys. It's a little bit different strategy, okay? And this is, I'm already targeting real estate agents, so I'm not necessarily calling them out, but I'm starting with a question, okay? I'm starting with a question to pique their interest, to get them kind of still thinking, so it's like, hey, are you struggling to make Facebook work for your real estate business? Which in my experience, a lot of real estate agents and brokers really they struggle with Facebook ads. They maybe tried a little bit, but they've wasted money and they haven't really seen leads, and a lot of times they just get likes and comments. So I know that's a pain point. I know that's something that's going to really go through and connect and talk with them. Right now, this is a key concept in any type of ads that you're creating. You need to know their pain points, and you need to know how to best connect and speak to your audience, right? So then I go through and I kind of like this is the value add, or kind of like sweetening the deal, right? So in the last 12 months, I've generated over 23,500 real estate leads, which that number's now over 30,000. And I kind of sweeten the deal. Our team has now helped over 2,100 agents and brokers. So now they know, okay, he can generate leads, and oh wait, he's done it for more than just like one person. He's done it for over 2,000 agents and brokers. So then it's like, man, okay, that's like really going to go through, and it could probably work for me too. And then I go through and I compare it. I kind of like going through and comparing it to what they're used to and what they know. Okay, so you can get leads for a fraction of the cost compared to other advertising networks like Trulia, Zillow, and Realtor.com, and grow your sales, right? So then I say, hey, let me show you how to do this. Call to action. Okay, so very different strategy. You guys can see right here, this is an image. It's not just a video. Okay, and then I go and same type of thing. I go and I call out the audience. Okay, and I'm saying, hey, are you struggling to make Facebook ads to work in your real estate business? So it's specific to the niche, okay, but it's asking a question, piquing their interest, and then showing, hey, here's some value right here. Look, I've done it. Like, I know what I'm doing, and I've helped tons of others. And hey, you're probably used to this, like spending $30 per lead on these other sites. Let me show you how you can get leads for 1/10 of the cost. Okay, so that's just another ad I just want to kind of break down for you all. And now if we come over here to the ads manager, this is kind of like the second part of the training. And really quick, guys, if you guys are still watching to this point, if you comment Facebook ads down below, I will get you guys my Facebook ads mini course, so you guys can have that and use for your business. All right, so it gives you a quick rundown of all like the whole Facebook ads manager, Facebook pixels, lead forms, how to go through and generate leads versus just like clicks to your website. And so all those key details for your business. All right, so comment down below Facebook ads, and then I'm just gonna kind of whiz through this part, because in that mini course, I'm gonna actually dive in a little bit deeper on these different aspects of like your marketing objective. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit traffic right here. And then for the ad set level, okay, so let's hit continue. In the ad set level, this is kind of your targeting, like what audience you wanna hit. You wanna hit real estate agents? Do you want to hit people that live in a specific city like Dallas or Omaha, Nebraska, or Salt Lake City, Utah? And so you go through and you hit this, which this video is more about creating the actual Facebook ad, right? So what we're going to do here, this is where you will actually create the Facebook ad. Okay, so right in here, you could use an existing post from your Facebook page. So like, for example, right here, this one right here, you can see how this is an ad that I created inside the Facebook Ads Manager, where it's got the headline, it's got a little like description right here and a link out. Whereas this one, okay, it doesn't have the headline, all that stuff, because I just created it as a normal post on my Facebook page. So you could do either one. So in order to do something like this, you go create it first on your Facebook page, and then you can say, hey, use an existing post from, and then you pick your Facebook page right there, and you just come down and select a post. Okay, so like I can go through and select any of these previous posts that I've done. So like right here, here's a Facebook Live that I recently did, and use this for your video. Okay, but then if we want to just go create a new ad, okay, this is kind of like what this video is all about, is creating Facebook ads and just kind of like getting that beginning step put together. So we can go through, we can do a single image, okay, kind of like this one right here, or we can do a video just like this one right here, or this is a carousel. So it's like if you ever seen the ones where like you can scroll through like on your phone and there's multiple images, multiple things going on, you could do that. There's a slideshow, this collection one, and so this one's like a little bit more for e-commerce and stuff, but just kind of want to show you guys how this all works. So you choose your format. So this one we're just going to do a single image, and then you can go through and use free stock images that they have already. Okay, so it's kind of nice. You just click on this, you type in you know, let's say let's do a home, and this one looks kind of cool. Let's say you've got a home theater business, right? Something like that. We click on that, or you could say, hey, I'm going to upload an image from my desktop, or you can go through and browse a library. So like if you've already uploaded images, you can browse the images that you've already uploaded. You can see a lot of images I've already uploaded right here. Okay, so we just hit cancel right there, and then see how this has all the Shutterstock kind of like the watermark on there. Once it goes live, it's not actually going to show that. Okay, and then what we're going to do next is it says, okay, we've got the image. It's going to say, hey, where are you actually wanting to send these people? Okay, now let's say our website, we'll just say our website is arsenalmkg.com. That's our software right here. Okay, so we're just going to copy and paste this link, and we'll throw it right in here. Okay, so we'll click on that, and then this is going to pop up some basic kind of stuff. It's going to pull it from the actual website. So it says Arsenal MKG, you know, it's brand yourself, all that stuff. But then see how it says home right here? This is where we would actually go through and take, let's just copy and paste this just for a quicker example here. Okay, this is where we'd go through and paste it in right there. Okay, now the cool thing is this shows you like this live preview, and you can see what it's going to look like on the mobile news feed, on desktop news feed, on all these different areas. And then you could even scroll through and see what it looks like on some of these different platforms. Okay, and so that's kind of nice. Or if you wanted to see what it really looks like, you could say, hey, send it to notifications to Facebook, and it'll pop up right here in your notifications where you can go through and pull it up and see it big like one of these ads. Okay, so that's how it is. So let's just jump back over here. Let's just go pull up this is the desktop news feed, you guys can see right here. Okay, so that's one like that you'll typically see if you're on your desktop. So for the headline, you could say you know, whatever, like typically whatever your headline is on your landing page, I like to keep it consistent with that. Okay, so like for example, on our site right here, it says brand yourself, generate leads, grow your business. Now this isn't a typical landing page. I've got another video that I can link out to of how to go through and start generating leads if you're completely brand new. I don't like to send them to my main website. Okay, but for this one, let's say this is your headline right there. I would just go through, hey, brand yourself, generate leads, grow your business. Okay, so it pops up right there, and then you can select, okay, call to action. I usually like to do learn more, but you can see all these different options. You can say no button, send a message, apply now, book now. You can see all these different options. But I usually like to do just learn more. Okay, just like kind of pique their interest there. And then as far as the display link, it's optional. I usually just leave it. So it just says arsenalmkg.com. It's just going to pull the root domain URL of whatever domain you're sending people to. And as far as the newsfeed link description, this is only really going to pull up on your desktop view. Okay, so like if you're on these other ones, like for example your mobile, there's not enough room for this to actually show up. Okay, so this is only really important for this desktop. So you could say, you know, if you like, let's say obviously this picture doesn't match this whole ad setup. I just want to kind of show you guys the creation. Okay, so we could say get started with your free 14-day trial. All right, so you can see this will pop up right here. But then if we go through and check out some of these other ad views, like this, it doesn't show up on this one right here on the feature phone. It doesn't show up on the mobile news feed. So it's just going to show up on that desktop news feed. So these other placements, it's really not as key, not as important. And then the URL parameters, that's super, super advanced. So I just kind of leave that for right now. And then once you're done, all you do is hit confirm, and you are set. You are good to go. All right. So Anyway, guys, hopefully that video was helpful. If it was, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you guys want my more in-depth Facebook ads mini course, which will walk you through the whole campaign objectives and what campaigns to choose, the ad sets and how to target and what you should be doing right there, and Facebook pixels that go through and set up your tracking on all your websites, or even the Facebook lead forms and how to generate leads versus just getting likes and comments, all that stuff, go ahead and comment real estate, or not real estate, sorry, comment Facebook ads down below, and I will shoot you over my Facebook ads mini course to help you get started with whatever business that you might be in. Could be real estate, could be e-commerce, it could be really whatever it might be. This will all be helpful for whatever business you're in, all right? So go ahead, comment Facebook ads down below. Also, if you guys are brand new here, my name is Jason Wardrop. I launch a new video every single day, how to generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business. So make sure you guys subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you are notified every single time we launch a new video, because we've got tons and tons of free content always coming your way. So with that said, guys, thanks so much for watching today. Give it a thumbs up if you guys found it helpful, and I will see you all tomorrow.